This is the 3D Viewmaster adventure Kong, the eighth wonder of the world. In the mysterious land of Skull Island, King Kong rules supreme over ferocious dinosaurs and other primordial beasts that lurk within its dark jungles. Join the team of brave adventurers that dare to challenge the mightiest beast the world has ever known. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Filmmaker Carl Denham and his assistant Preston in Manhattan traffic. Picture 2. Anne Darrow, an actress, searches for work. Picture 3. SS venture approaches Skull Island. Picture 4. Cast and crew hear loud roars in the distance. Picture 5. Crew members attempt to rescue the kidnapped actress. Picture 6. Carl on shores of Skull Island. Picture 7. Filming the mysterious island. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Running from the stampede. Picture 2. Rex is hungry and searching for food. Picture 3. Skull Island, monster confronts Anne. Picture 4. The wall between island natives and the monsters. Picture 5. At sunset, Kong relaxes on cliff overlooking the island. Picture 6. Kong is upset that he can't find Anne. Picture 7. Because he cares about Anne, Kong protects her from Rex. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. Rex prepares to battle Kong for Anne. Picture 2. Kong responds with a loud roar. Picture 3. Rex is defeated. Picture 4. Carl sees Kong at movie premiere. Picture 5. Kong gently holds Anne in his huge hand. Picture 6. Anne tries to calm the crazed Kong. Picture 7. Anne and Kong share a quiet moment atop the Empire State Building.